Welcome back to another deep dive. And guys, oh my gosh, get ready to be inspired because today we are diving into the world of YouTube affiliate marketing in 2024.
Yeah, that's funny. YouTube used to be all about funny cat videos and things like that, but it's become so much more than that.
Well, absolutely.
We're talking billions of users, a massive audience that is hungry for information and entertainment. Mm-hmm. And you know what else they're hungry for? Recommendations for products they'll love.
Okay, so you're saying it's basically like this captive audience is just like, tell me what to buy.
Yeah.
And that's where affiliate marketing comes in, right?
Exactly. So let's break it down, what exactly YouTube affiliate marketing?
Yeah, because I feel like I've heard the term, but I'm not entirely sure I could explain it to my grandma.
All right. So basically it's like you're partnering with brands that you actually believe in.
Okay.
And you're using special links in your videos to recommend their products to your viewers. And then when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission.
So it's kind of like being an influencer, but you have way more control over what you're promoting,
right.
Potentially way more impact, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So instead of that annoying link in bio dance we all do on Instagram, YouTube's just put the links right there in the description.
Exactly. You got it. And what's really interesting? Remember all those website crackdowns Google was doing a while back?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Well, YouTube's algorithm is actually way more stable right now.
Oh, interesting.
So it's a more reliable platform for affiliate marketing than traditional websites in a lot of ways.
That's actually really good to know, especially for anyone who's been, kind of burned by all those Google changes that they've been making.
Absolutely.
But, okay, I'm still curious, why is YouTube better for this than, say, just writing reviews on a blog or something like that?
Well, think about it. YouTube is all about video. You're not just telling people about a product.
Right.
You're showing them, you're demonstrating it. You're letting your personality shine through.
Yeah.
And that builds trust. Mm-hmm. And trust is the secret sauce of affiliate marketing.
Yeah, it's like if a friend recommends something to me, I'm way more likely to buy it than if I just see a random ad.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the cool thing about YouTube is it's long form content, which means you can really dive deep into a product. You can answer questions. You can address concerns.
Right.
You're really building a connection with the viewer that you just can't do with a static image or a 30-second clip.
Okay. So we've got this huge engaged audience. We've got a stable platform. We've got the ability to build real trust.
Yeah.
But let's be real. Can people actually make a living doing this? What's the earning potential here?
Oh, absolutely. People are totally making a living doing this. We're seeing successful YouTubers pull in anywhere from a couple $100s a month to literally thousands of dollars a month, all depending on their niche, their audience size, and how strategic they are with their affiliate marketing.
Wow. Okay, I'm officially intrigued. But before we go any further, I think our listeners would really benefit from seeing some real-world examples of what this actually looks like in practice. What kind of videos are these YouTube affiliate marketing stars making?
Yeah, let's get into that. Well, when you're thinking about buying something, don't you often go to YouTube to see what other people are saying about it?
Oh, absolutely. It's like getting a recommendation from a friend who's already tried it.
Exactly. So let's start with the type of video that's always been popular, the classic product review. And a great example of someone who's really mastered this art is Marlene. She runs the fashion channel Life with Mar.
Oh, yeah, I've seen her videos.
Yeah. And so she does these amazing clothing hauls, like her recent Quince review. But here's the brilliant part. She doesn't just focus on the main items. She includes links for everything she's wearing, even the accessories.
Wait, so even if she's not specifically talking about a particular necklace or a pair of shoes, she'll still include affiliate links for them in the description.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a genius move because it maximizes her earning potential.
Right.
While also providing even more value for her viewers.
Yeah, it's hey, you loved my outfit. Here's where you can find every single piece.
Yeah.
I love that.
Exactly. And it feels very organic. It's not pushy at all.
Yeah, you can totally tell when someone's faking it.
Exactly. And Marlene really emphasizes the importance of authenticity.
Yeah.
She actually numbers her links in the description and even on screen. So it's super easy for people to find exactly what they're looking for.
Oh, wow. That's so smart.
It's all about creating a seamless and enjoyable experience for her audience.
Yeah.
So product review is definitely a solid strategy.
Okay, so what other types of videos are working well for affiliate marketers?
Another category that's just exploding is tutorials and how-to videos.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Think about it. Someone's actively searching for a solution to a problem.
Yeah.
And you come in with a clear step-by-step guide. You're like the hero. And then you can subtly weave in those affiliate links for the tools or products that helped you achieve that awesome result.
A perfect example is the tech channel Linus Tech Tips.
Oh yeah, they're great.
Yeah, they have this super popular video titled How to Build a PC that's gotten millions of views.
Wow.
And of course, they include affiliate links for all the components they're using in the tutorial.
Yeah, that makes total sense. People watching that video are ready to buy.
They're primed, yeah. And you know what's really interesting is Linus Tech Tips uses a combination of what we call active and passive linking strategies.
Ooh, tell me more about that.
Okay, so active recommendations are for the products that are featured directly in the video,
Okay.
while passive recommendations are for related items that are just listed in the description, like their go-to software or their favorite accessories.
So it's like you're maximizing your earning potential by offering both like very specific recommendations tied to the tutorial, and then also kind of like a broader range of suggestions for people who maybe want to go a little bit deeper.
Exactly, and you can apply that to so many different niches. Imagine you're doing a cooking tutorial. You could actively recommend the specific ingredients you're using,
Right.
but then passively recommend your favorite cookware set or like your must-have kitchen gadgets in the description.
Ooh, I'm getting so many ideas for my own channel.
Right.
But okay, I have a confession. There's one type of video I see all the time on YouTube that I just don't get: unboxing videos.
Oh, yeah.
Like, who wants to watch someone open a package?
It might seem surprising, but unboxing videos actually have a huge following.
Really?
Yeah, there's something so satisfying about seeing a new product revealed for the first time, like that initial impression.
Okay.
It taps into our curiosity, our desire for novelty.
Okay, I can see the appeal there, and I bet it's a great way for affiliate marketers to really showcase a product's packaging, the design, the initial setup.
Absolutely. Plus, you can highlight those little details and features that might not be obvious from just looking at like a product photo.
Yeah, and I bet you could even score some free products from brands.
Oh, for sure.
Who doesn't love free swag?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Building those relationships with brands can open up a ton of opportunities.
That's awesome. Okay, so we've talked about product reviews, tutorials, how-to videos, unboxing videos. What else is out there?
Well, let's move on to a type of video that's less about showcasing a specific product and more about establishing you as an authority in your niche. We're talking roundup videos.
Ooh, yeah, like top 5 best running shoes, or like my must-have gardening tool.
Exactly. You're guiding your viewers. You're positioning yourself as the go-to resource.
Yeah.
A great example is a video titled Best Drip Irrigation Systems.
Okay.
It's gotten hundreds of thousands of views.
Wow.
The creator does a fantastic job of breaking down the pros and cons of each system, and of course includes those all-important affiliate links.
This is making me realize that literally any niche could work for YouTube, affiliate marketing, gardening, tech, travel, beauty, personal finance.
Absolutely. The possibilities are endless.
Wow.
The key is to choose a niche you're passionate about and that you're genuinely knowledgeable in, because that passion is going to shine through in your content, and viewers are going to be way more likely to trust your recommendations.
This is all so inspiring. I'm like already brainstorming ideas for my own channel, but I'm realizing that creating great videos is only half the battle.
Yeah.
We need to actually get people to see those videos.
Yeah.
How do we drive traffic to our channel and get those eyeballs on our affiliate links?
That's so true. It's like you can have the most amazing video in the world, but if nobody sees it, what's the point?
Exactly right. So you've got to think about YouTube as a search engine, just like Google.
Oh, yeah.
People are typing in keywords to find exactly what they're looking for. So if you want your videos to get discovered, you've got to master YouTube SEO, search engine optimization.
Oh, SEO. Okay, so usually when I hear SEO, I think for like websites and blog posts.
Yeah,
But it sounds like the same principles apply to YouTube.
they totally do.
Keywords are king.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And one of the most important elements of YouTube SEO is your video thumbnail.
It's the first thing people see when they're scrolling through those search results.
Right.
So it has to be eye-catching. It has to be compelling. I'm a very visual person, so this is like speaking my language.
Like a boring thumbnail. I'm swiping right past that.
Yeah.
But something that's like bold and intriguing and maybe even a little bit mysterious, I'm clicking on that.
You got it. A good thumbnail is like a movie poster.
Oh, yeah.
It should draw people in and make them want to know more.
Mm-hmm.
So think vibrant colors, clear text that highlights what the video is about,
Okay.
and maybe even a close-up shot of the product that you're featuring.
Ooh, nice. So I'm sensing a theme here.
Yeah.
It's all about creating a positive user experience,
Yes.
making it easy for people to find what they're looking for,
Yeah.
and then delivering content that like exceeds their expectations.
You got it. And another way to enhance that user experience is by creating playlists.
Ooh, playlists.
Yeah, so when you group related videos together, you're essentially creating like a binge-worthy experience for your viewers.
Yep.
They finish one video and boom, the next one automatically starts playing.
It's like Netflix for your niche.
Exactly. And the longer people stay on your channel, the more likely they are to see those affiliate links and actually make a purchase.
Makes sense.
A great example of a channel that's massacred playlists is Garden Answer.
Okay.
They've got millions of subscribers.
Wow.
And when they release a new video, their loyal followers get notified. And because their content is so well organized into those playlists, viewers tend to stick around and watch multiple videos in a row.
That's awesome. Okay, so we've got SEO, we've got playlists. Any other tips for driving traffic and maximizing those sweet affiliate commissions?
Well, in this fast-paced digital world, you've got to go where your audience is. So don't just limit yourself to YouTube. Share your videos on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can even use TikTok.
Cross-promotion. Gotta love it.
Exactly. Tap into those existing networks and leverage them to expand your reach. And speaking of expanding your reach, have you considered experimenting with YouTube Shorts?
Oh, yeah. Those like quick attention-grabbing videos that are all over YouTube now.
Those are the ones.
Yeah.
Shorts can be a fantastic way to introduce yourself to a whole new audience.
Okay.
Especially if you're just starting out. Think of them as like little bite-sized teasers that pique people's interest.
Yeah.
Encourage them to check out your longer-form content.
I love that. It's like a mini commercial for your channel and all the amazing affiliate-linked goodies you have to offer.
Exactly. But no matter what strategies you use, always remember the golden rule of affiliate marketing transparency is key.
Oh, that's so important.
Your viewers need to know that you're recommending products because you genuinely believe in them, not just because you're getting paid to do so.
Right. So be upfront about those affiliate links.
Yeah.
Mention it in your videos.
Yes.
Include a disclaimer in the description. And always prioritize authenticity over hype.
Absolutely, because building trust with your audience is paramount.
Yeah. And speaking of building trust, another really effective strategy is to add chapters to your videos.
Chapters. I love chapters.
Yeah, it allows viewers to easily navigate to the sections they're most interested in.
Right.
Which makes their experience more enjoyable and efficient.
It's like giving them a table of contents for your video. I love how all of these tips tie back to creating that user-friendly experience.
Exactly. The more you cater to your audience's needs and preferences, the more likely they are to become those loyal followers and ultimately click those affiliate links.
It all comes full circle.
Wow.
Wow, we've covered so much ground today. From the fundamentals of YouTube affiliate marketing to the strategies that really work, it's been an incredible deep dive.
It has.
Any final thoughts or key takeaways you want to leave our listeners with?
Just remember, everyone starts somewhere. Don't let the idea of creating videos or mastering SEO overwhelm you.
Yeah.
Start small, focus on creating engaging content that provides value to your audience.
And stay consistent. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn and grow.
This has been so inspiring. I'm already brainstorming ideas for my own channel. I can't wait to put all these tips into action.
That's the spirit. Remember, YouTube is an incredibly powerful platform.
It is.
And affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to turn your passion into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income.
Yeah, it's incredible. So here's a final thought-provoking question for our listeners to ponder: what one product or service could you authentically recommend to your YouTube audience?
Yeah, think about, what are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for your viewers? Start there, and honestly, the possibilities are endless.
So we encourage you to explore, further experiment, and see what amazing results await you in the world of YouTube affiliate marketing. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep diving deep.